You might get too many notifications on Instagram and want to turn it off. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Instagram notifications for one account. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's go ahead and open up our Instagram app right over here. And make sure that you have logged into that account or you have selected that account you want to turn off the notifications to. Now click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And from here, click on this 3-bar line at the top right. Click on settings. And at the second option, you should be able to see the notification. So tap on that. And there is an option that says pause all, so you can toggle it on. But the downside for this is that you won't be able to see new notifications for only a limited period of time, so only up to 8 hours, and it doesn't permanently do that. So the better option would be to go through these lists, for example, the post stories and comments, tap on that and toggle everything off. You just scroll through and pick the off option. So again, on the following and followers section, just turn everything off if you like. So under messages and calls as well, you can just turn everything off like that and just go through the list and do the same thing. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.